Born in Nairobi, Deep Roy began his journey where the tall grass of the savannah meets the sky. Under the Kenyan sun, a star was molded, not by his stature, but by an inextinguishable spirit. Despite standing only 4 feet 4 inches or 1 meter 32 tall, Deep Roy's presence in cinema is colossal. Through boundless talent, Roy became a beacon for actors of all sizes, embodying versatility and dedication. His early work included roles in beloved TV series, gradually etching his mark on the small screen. The leap to film was inevitable, where he'd bring life to characters in iconic movies. One memorable role was as the Oompa Loompas in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, a part he played with vibrancy. He didn't just play one Oompa Loompa, Roy was every single one, a testament to his dynamic skill. His unique physique brought magical creatures to life, mesmerizing audiences in The Never-Ending Story. Roy dove into the Star Wars universe, cast as Droopy McCool, further cementing his sci-fi legacy. Venturing to the final frontier, he appeared in Star Trek series, delighting Trekkies worldwide. In Tim Burton's Big Fish, Roy showcased his dramatic prowess amidst a fantastical backdrop. A contortionist by skill, Roy stretched the limits of physical acting in the entertainment industry. His influence reached further as a stuntman, performing feats that marveled and inspired. Roy journeyed beyond the silver screen, appearing in music videos with an energy that danced off the frame. He graced the stage of children's entertainment, becoming a fixture in the hearts of young audiences. Throughout his career, Roy remained a symbol of perseverance, proving that roles know no bounds. His legacy is twofold: a brilliant portfolio of characters and the doors he opened for similar artists. Deep Roy's chapters are written in the annals of film history, a narrative of triumph and talent. Deep Roy, a versatile actor, has enriched over 70 films and TV shows with his dynamic performances. Today, his impact lingers in inspiring all who believe that with talent and tenacity, the stars are within reach. That was a glimpse into Deep Roy's life. Comment to suggest new story. Share, like and follow for more.